highway behind me. I just came down through this pine thicket because it's quiet and because I have the sound of the highway to cover my movement and my noise. Some fresh rubs. It's 80 degrees outside. 80 degrees. I got about 75 more yards, and this last little bit, I have to just one step, because of the leaves, but when I get there, it should be good.
Hard to do this by myself, but
You know what's harder than walking through a pine thicket? Dragging your first handgun buck.